Hi everyone, it's about a month since I'm in Korea and my original plan was to stay in Korea for a month, but there's some changes. Oh my gosh, so many instances. Wow. They have fresh garlic. Wow. Instant rice. Fried rice. This looks good.
Please place the scanned items on the bagging stand. Please place the scanned items on the Please place the scanned items on the bagging stand. Please place the scanned items on the bagging stand.
Hi everyone, it's about a month since I'm in Korea. My original trip was only planned for a month and I'm due to fly to LA, but I have something to update you guys. I'll be extending my stay in Korea. I'm gonna be staying for 2 months. Uh, why 2 months? Because I told myself that I cannot be like overboard with this, like I cannot have too much fun. Yeah, so I think 1 more month would be more than enough. Nothing's enough for you, Lynette. But yeah, 1 more month for me to try other studios. It has been very difficult to come to a decision, and I even had to like pay extra to change my plans for my flight to LA. But I really appreciate the training that I'm receiving here in Korea, and I really want to try more studios and learn from more people. Apart from that, I think just a general update of how's my life been living alone, being an extrovert. And I just want to say that I'm very thankful for vlogging and YouTube because as an extrovert, I feel kind of bored sometimes that I'm always alone. Yeah, so by creating videos, I feel like I am still talking a lot, talking to people, talking to you guys. At least there's someone on the other hand listening to me. Yeah. I think somewhere around the second week mark, I was posting about having doubts about if this journey was the thing for me, whether dance is the thing for me. And now it is about week 4, and I would say that my mind is set. I really love dance so much, especially since these few days I've had a chance to do more freestyling and I have met really inspiring instructors because of the conversations that we had after class and what was covered in class as well. I was really inspired, and what is always missing is that finding inspiration part. So when people say things like they have lost interest or they are not sure if they really like it that much, it's probably because you are just overworked, or you're just tired, or you lost that spark in you. Yes, so you just need to keep going and find something that can light up that spark again. And very thankfully for me, that spark in me is ignited again. So now I would say that I really love dance, and I really wanna dance, and I wanna improve so badly. I wanna train hard, I wanna get there. Yeah. And now it's the update of how has living alone been like. To be honest, it's very empowering. I know it's a bit lame to say empowering, but it is really very empowering for me being like in Singapore, where my mom does most of like my house chores, and now I'm here. I have to like tidy my own room, have to wash my own clothes, just very small things. Like now I'm only in charge of a room, I don't have my own house yet. Finding joy in little things, such as when the weather is good, I really have the urge to do laundry. It's very interesting. I also want to update you guys about my hair condition. So just because I'm overseas, and I mean, I try to portray that like I'm having a great life. I mean, my life is great, and I'm trying to not use the word but, and the hair problem is still here. It didn't go anywhere. It's still very much not becoming better, as much as I've told myself to put in more effort, and I've bought hair products to take care of my hair. It's even harder now probably because I'm overseas. So when I pull, it's like it's not my own room, so it's a rented room, and I have to like routinely sweep my room and clean up my room because it's kind of messy. Yeah, I mean, it's not very nice and glamorous things to talk about, but I feel like I want to share this journey with you guys. It's not really so much of a because I'm like stress-free so I don't poo anymore, but it's more like it just became a compulsive habit that if I don't poo, I feel uncomfortable. I'm still in the journey of finding new habits, new routines to incorporate into my life, such as if I come home late after dance, I would grab a light bite, shower, and try to sleep as early as I can, because it's usually the night time that the damage is more significant. Establishing a good night routine is very important for me. Not that I have insomnia, but it's the hair pulling that really keeps me up even when I'm very tired. So I have done my update, and I really hope the next update that I have, I mean, the first update that I did of my hair was confessing about my hair condition, trichotillomania, right? So, and this is the first time I'm like giving you guys an update about what's happening. Do you think like things are getting better because I'm overseas? And I still hope that the next time when you hear from me, it would be a positive update. I'll be hoping that every single time. Yeah. And lastly, I think this would be the last video, or this is rather would be the last time I'm recording in this room, because as I'm extending my stay, I will be moving to a new place. So thank you for listening to me, and I hope you guys will continue supporting my journey and enjoy the videos that I make. Bye bye! Hi guys, I realized that I have never given you guys a tour of the place that I'm staying at. It's not my apartment, but it's a beautiful place, so let me show you around. Firstly, this is the balcony. That's where I do my work sometimes. I'm sure you have seen this place quite often when I freestyle here. Over here is where I wash my clothes, and then I would hang them up here very easily. Yep, and then they have a lot of pretty aesthetic plants. And also there's this cozy space in here where you could chill at night. Hi everyone, I'm back home from dance, so pardon the messy hair, but as promised, today I moved into my new room and I'm really excited to show you guys my new room. So really quickly, I'm going to show you right now, and also the room is really empty. I'm going to start unpacking because I'll be here for a month. So this is the room. Those are my stuffs that I need to unpack, and then look at it. There's a really cozy area that I can rest on. There's a full-length mirror and another mirror, and there's like a closet, and there's a working table. So let's start unpacking. This is also the room where you will see me in my future videos.